to start off with our room 10413. This is a grand 2-queen room. We start over here in the bathroom. You'll notice the tile and the countertop is all marble. You have this nice full-size backlit mirror. You have a toilet area, marble on the floor there as well, some artwork. You have a dual shower bath combo, marble all around the sides, and you have some shampoos and conditioner in there for you as well, along with some soap. Underneath the sink, you'll notice you have all your towels, your trash can, and even a hair dryer if you would need one for your stay. As we exit the bathroom, we'll see this full-size body mirror right across from your closet. It has plenty of room to hang up all your nice clothes, ironing board in case anything gets creased, as well as room for your luggage and some laundry bags for you as well. Over here you'll see the 2 queen beds, as well as the 1 singular nightstand. See my buddy Matt over there in the side by the extra lamp. Just kind of your more basic room, got artwork on the side, still nice. A flat screen TV, as well as a bucket for ice and some cups for water or drinks. You also have this HDMI port, and you can just plug in your own computer and stream to the TV if you so choose. You got plenty of drawers for all your clothes if you like to fully unpack while you're on vacation. Over here you'll have the mini bar, which if you are to take anything out of this bar, it will automatically be charged to your room, as well as these 2 Fiji waters up there, so just keep that in mind before you go taking all these things out thinking they're included. Next to that, we have your desk, in case you need to get any work done while you're on your stay, with a nice comfy chair and a lamp. And you got these 2 other chairs just to kind of sit and relax in. And then we'll show you the daytime view right now. And this is the view from our room. Not the best, but not the worst. And then just some facts on the room. It's 446 square feet. It has a max occupancy of 4, and the starting rate is $284 on the weekend, not including resort fees. Here we are at room 15105. This is a Staywell Executive King Suite. The weekend rate for this room starts at around $510 plus resort fees, has 675 square feet, and a max occupancy of 4. Starting off over here in the bathroom, we have his and hers dual vanity with backlight mirrors and a marble countertop. And then we have a shower and bath combo with marble all along the sides. And in this room, we actually have a second shower as well, more rainforest style shower head. And then you have your toilet on the side. And both of these showers actually come with a shower infuser as a part of the Staywell package that MGM offers. As we step out into the living room area, we'll see we have a couch and a couple chairs and different seats. This couch actually converts into a pull-out bed if you have a couple guests with you. Next, we have your flat screen TV along with a desk in case you need to get some work done, and the TV will rotate towards the couch or towards the bed. You have some drawers to make sure you have plenty of space for all your stuff. And then we have the memory foam Staywell mattress along with nightstands on each side, one with a phone, one with a clock. And then we have my favorite part of this room, which is actually your semi walk-in closet behind these wooden doors. Plenty of room to hang up all your nice clothes, ironing board, laundry bags, and a lot of room for your luggage as well. Moving on, we have the mini bar area. It comes with an ice bucket, some cups, and of course the actual mini bar. Again, if you do take anything out, you will be charged for it. In each of these rooms, you'll also have a safe big enough for a laptop in one of the drawers next to the bed. And this is one of the 2 window views. You can see New York over there, Park MGM, Aria, the Cosmo over there, Polo Towers. Pretty nice view. Each one of the Staywell category rooms also comes with an in-room air purifier and aromatherapy diffuser, just to kind of set the mood right, make sure you're in the best state for your stay. We're now at room 14141. the Staywell 2-bedroom Marquee suite. You step in, first thing you got is a dining room table with a nice chandelier. We'll start off with the left. You got 4 chairs, a couple lamps, a flat screen TV. And this is also going to be where you have your mini bar for purchase. Nice desk over here. And you have a pretty good view of the Strip. Cosmopolitan, Aria, the Polo Towers. Kind of can see a little bit of Park MGM. Planet Hollywood back there as well. And Top Golf. I'm going to start off with the left side bedroom. You have a nice little couch area along with your flat screen TV. And you have, behind these wooden doors, walk-in closet with ironing board, room for your luggage, and 2 robes with slippers for you and your special guest. And over here we have king-size bed, lamps on both sides, got your phone there, and we have the in-room safe for all your valuables. You have a nice view directly from the bed of the MGM Grand, New York, Park MGM, Cosmopolitan over that way. Then over here we have the first bathroom of the suite. Have a separate area for your toilet, marble on the floor, and then we have this jacuzzi tub that's big enough for 2 people. Some artwork hanging up on the wall as well. This is full-size mirror, and the his and hers double vanity marble countertops on that as well. And just like with the last room, we also have a separate shower that does have the shower infuser, the rainforest style, marble all around. And this suite also comes with upgraded shampoos, conditioners, and lotions using MGM's Bulgari brand. And they also have a wellness lighting on your backlit mirror, so you can kind of see what you would look like if you're in the sunlight, if you're applying makeup or something like that. Continuing on, you have the right side of the suite, which has a full L-shaped couch overlooking more gorgeous views of some of the different properties. You have the Top Golf over there. You have a nice little chair. You have yet again another flat screen TV, some nice vases and artwork type. Now we'll walk into the second bedroom. We have a similar type couch, flat screen TV, walk-in closet. Again, it's got the robes, ironing board, and the slippers for you. King size bed with another safe. So each room gets their own safe. And this has kind of an overlooking view of the MGM tram, kind of more the Vegas mountainside. You'll see. You can see a little bit of MGM Martin Garrix. Got the Vegas mountains in the distance. And then we have the bathroom. Starts off rather similar with the semi-private toilet. This one has a bath shower combo as opposed to the jacuzzi tub. Double vanity, got your wellness lighting over here, regular lighting over there, marble countertops, full-size mirror, another rainforest shower. And directly from this bathroom, you can walk out right back to the living room. You're in the main room area. Just to give you some quick facts on this room, It is 1,500 square feet, and the weekend rate starts at $1,550 plus resort fees, and it could change again depending on the weekend that you're there. The max occupancy of this room is 4, and as you saw, it has 4 TVs, 2 bathrooms, living room, dining room, wet bar. It also comes with special registration and entrance when you check in, and a personalized concierge for your stay, so you don't have to call the same line that everyone else calls. You have a more direct line to get the service that you need for your stay. And that's going to do it for our MGM Grand room tour video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, comment, subscribe for future content. We will have a vlog coming soon of our Vegas trip, along with more room and luxury resort tours, not only in Vegas, but internationally as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next time.